Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, look what has just arrived. Another locomotive from eBay. This is a Marx 999, $9.50. I was the only bidder on this. So, just thought I'd do the grand unboxing and see what kind of condition this is actually in. As I've always said, it's really hard to tell from photos and descriptions on eBay. So, locomotive enclosed, thank you. Alright. Alright, lots of bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's a lot easier than peanuts, that's for sure. Alright, let's get this out of the way. I don't think I need that anymore. Alright. Well, not wrapped too well, but there it is. A Marx 999. It's complete. Now, this thing has not been run in decades. That is obvious. And, oh, it broke loose. It was frozen as well. Alright, good. Well, that's good to know. Alright, let me grab the oil. We'll do a couple of drops of oil. We'll get this on the rail and see if it will run. So, as always, we're going to put 2 drops of oil directly on the bearing for the armature. And 1 drop of oil on the output shaft of the motor itself. Alright, good enough for now. Now that contactor, let me grab the camera off the tripod. Alright, there we go. Let's get a look at this. Now you can see it's in less than perfect condition. But it's not damaged. That's the thing. And like I said, you got to look past the paint on a locomotive and actually look at the locomotive. As you can see, there's no great amount of wear to it at all. This is all bad storage, all of it. This thing has been sitting for decades, years and years and years. This has not been moved. So anyway, just want to do a quick video on this. Let's put it on the rail and see if it will run. Get the tripod out of the way. All right, we'll put it on the outside rail. Like I said, it's complete. All right, turn the power on and see what happens. Absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. Now, let's see here. Let's do a quick scrape of the contactor. So I'm just using a single edge razor blade to scrape this oxide off the copper and see if that's what the problem is. It doesn't appear to be getting any power at all. So lots of possibilities as to why. All right, let's try this again. Outside rail. And up. It's getting a bit of power now. There we go. Look at that. Now you get this thing to run for a second, and it'll scrape all the oxide off of the brushes, and it'll start to run, hopefully. That's better. All right. Now, let's put it on a consist and see if it'll actually pull. All right. Like I said, this thing has not been run in decades and decades. All right, let's see what happens. It needs a headlight, that's obvious. Look at that. $9.50. I was the only bidder. Alright, so it needs a headlight. But so far it is running actually quite well, considering I haven't done anything to it yet. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. $9.50, I was the only bidder on this, and as you can see, now that it's running, it's not going to take much to make this run really well. Alright, this is going to be fun. So I'll pull this thing apart, get it cleaned up, oil it, lube it, tune it. This is going to be a really nice 999. Far from perfect, but already running. And I haven't done anything to it yet but oil it and scrape that contactor, like I said. So just want to do a quick video. Always fun when a new locomotive arrives. And in this case, it's going to be a lot of fun to bring this one back to life. It has been sitting very likely as long as I've been alive. It's been sitting a very, very long time. Lots of rust on the screws. No great amount of damage of any kind. The paint is bad, but that's from storage. That's what all of this is damage to the paint. It's not actually play wear or damage from being used. It's damage from being stored really badly for a very, very long time. You can see it's just absolutely filthy. And this is genuine dirt. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video. It just arrived. I want to do an unboxing and see what it would take to get it running. Like I said, it's hard to tell anything from a photo and a description on eBay. But as you can see, this is going to run absolutely perfectly. Now it's just a matter of getting it lubed up, getting it cleaned up, and getting it used to running again. It's been sitting for decades, years and years and years. So just want to do a quick video on this. I'll do some follow-ups today. But I gotta say it, don't overlook the junk. I was the only bidder on this, and in an hour this is going to be a great looking and nice running 999. $9.50. Really difficult to beat that. So just want to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.